provider resources and support.
Disclaimer. This information release is the property of Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Dakota Medicaid Expansion. This information is provided as is without the expressed or implied warranty. While all information in this document is believed to be correct at the time of writing, this document is for educational purposes only and does not purport to provide legal advice. All models and methodologies and guidelines are undergoing continuous improvements and modifications by Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Dakota Medicaid Expansion. The most current edition of this information contained in this release can be found on the Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Dakota Medicaid Expansion provider website at www.bcbsnd.com/providers. All rights are reserved.
Updates needed for the provider directory. Providers should validate their provider directory information every 90 days. You will need to notify the provider network if any contact information changes, including address, phone number, or fax number, new providers that have joined your practice, providers that are leaving your practice, including through retirement or termination, a business or practice closes or merges, your National Provider Identifier or NPI number changes, your status regarding accepting new patients changes, the list of languages spoken in the office changes, patient gender or age restriction change, a provider's specialty or board certification has changed for any active service location, a new tax ID number is obtained, or the address for a 1099 form changes. Provider network changes. You can do this electronically or via paper. To complete this electronically, you will go to bcbsnd.com/web/providers/forms. You can also email the information to prov.net@bcbsnd.com. Or lastly, you can fax the information to 701-282-1910. If you wish to update your information via paper, you will need to mail this to BCBSND, Attention Provider Network, 4510 13th Avenue South, Fargo, North Dakota, 58121. North Dakota Medicaid Expansion Provider Service Information. If you have any questions, you may call 833-777-5779 or toll free at 1-800-366-6888 or 711. Please keep in mind that the provider and member numbers are the exact same. You can receive information on inquiries of the following: claim status and payment, claims questions, and general billing questions. Provider contact information. Below we have the email and website information, phone numbers, fax numbers, and hours of operation for each section or department that you will need to call to ask questions. Please review the slide. A wealth of information can be found on our BCBSND Medicaid Expansion provider website. The website is located at www.bcbsnd.com/providers. You can find the following resources: the provider manual, claim submission, pre-certifications and referrals, special services, appeals, and forms. Sign up for healthcare news. This can be done at www.bcbsnd.com. You will be emailed updates regarding provider information, benefit updates, policy updates, billing and coding updates, education, and newsletters. Medicaid Expansion Provider Manual. This can be found on the website on the slide. The manual covers eligibility and benefits, covered services, contracting and credentialing, provider resources, care coordination programs, reimbursement and billing guidelines, claim correction, grievances and appeals, provider disputes, and there is a list of definitions. Thank you.